You ever feel like God failed you?
If I'm honest, yeah. Sometimes I feel that he has. Especially when it makes no sense. We're all human, Josh. It's okay to be angry.
I'm so beyond angry, brother. Hannah wasn't keen on Tanzania, but I convinced her to go overseas. When she got sick, we were too far from anything to get her help. I just don't get it. We were doing good work. God's work.
I get it. But I believe that he'll turn this into a greater purpose for you. But not in our time, Josh. In his time.